Okay, so I have the power supply back in the Yamaha CS60, and in order to test the voltages on the 4 separate rails, you have to plug in this Molex cable on the right. Also, what's important is to actually ground out the plus 15 and minus 15 for the reference, so it can be configured correctly here. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and let's see if I can get a good position here. This is also going to involve me checking the voltages, plus 15, minus 15, the plus 8.5, and the minus 6.5. Now that's for the left Molex cable that I had unplugged. And so this is to basically tune the power for the Yamaha CS60. So I already did the plus 15 and the minus 15, which are fine. Now I'm going to move to the positive or plus 8.5 and the minus 6.5, with a common being in the middle there.